Think all beginner motorcycles are the same? Think again. Some are too heavy, some are too underpowered, and others just aren't fun to ride. So which one is the best choice in 2025? We're ranking the top 12 entry-level motorcycles based on power-to-weight ratio, handling, and reliability. And number 1 might surprise you. Let's begin. Starting off at number 12, we have a scooter that brings adventure styling to the urban streets. The Honda ADV 160. Designed for riders who want a mix of comfort, practicality, and light off-road capability, it's an ideal beginner-friendly commuter. The 156cc single-cylinder engine produces 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 11.1 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM. With a top speed of 73 miles per hour, it's capable of handling light highway use, though acceleration is slower compared to motorcycles in this list. What makes the ADV 160 stand out is fuel efficiency. It averages 98 mpg, allowing riders to cover over 240 miles per tank, far surpassing most motorcycles. It also features long travel suspension and a 31.5-inch seat height, making it more comfortable on rough city roads. Maintenance is minimal, with oil changes every 3,200 miles and a belt replacement every 12,000 miles. While it's an efficient, beginner-friendly machine, the lack of top-end speed and fully automatic transmission make it less engaging than the motorcycles ranked higher. With an estimated price of $4,499, the Honda ADV 160 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a beginner-friendly cruiser with a more relaxed riding position, stay tuned for number 11. Rolling in at number 11, we have a cruiser that delivers premium styling without the premium price. The CF Moto 450 CLC. If you're a beginner looking for laid-back ergonomics and a torquey engine, this bike is a great place to start. The 449cc parallel twin engine produces 40 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 30 pound-feet of torque at 6,250 RPM, making it one of the strongest performing beginner cruisers on the market. Weighing 364 pounds, it's lighter than the Honda Rebel 500, and the low 27.4-inch seat height makes it accessible for shorter riders. Where the 450 CLC shines is its modern features, including ABS, a slipper clutch, and a digital LCD dash, features that aren't always available on budget cruisers. Maintenance is straightforward, with oil changes every 3,000 miles and valve adjustments at 12,000 miles. However, CF Moto's dealer network is still expanding, meaning parts aren't as widely available as Honda or Yamaha. While it offers strong performance for the price, resale value remains uncertain, which keeps it from ranking higher. With an estimated price of $5,799, the 450 CLC is set to launch in March 2025. But if you're looking for a beginner-friendly sport bike with full fairings, stay tuned for number 10. Breaking into the top 10, we have the Suzuki GSX 250R ABS, a fully faired sport bike that delivers reliability over outright performance. While it carries the GSX-R name, this model is tuned for efficiency and beginner-friendly handling rather than aggressive speed. The 248cc twin-cylinder engine produces 24 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 16 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM. Weighing 399 pounds, it is one of the heavier motorcycles in the 250cc category, which slightly affects acceleration. The top speed is 85 miles per hour, slower than the Kawasaki Ninja 400's 116 miles per hour, but it offers smoother power delivery for new riders. Where the GSX 250R stands out is fuel economy, delivering an impressive 76 mpg, allowing for a range of over 250 miles per tank. It also features ABS as standard, making it a safer option for beginners. Maintenance costs are low, with oil changes averaging $40 and a valve check interval of 7,500 miles. With an estimated price of $5,099, the GSX 250R ABS is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a beginner-friendly roadster with classic styling, stay tuned for number 9. At spot 9, we have a motorcycle that blends classic styling with modern engineering, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Unlike the GSX 250R, this bike is built for relaxed city riding rather than high-revving performance. The 349cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine delivers 20.2 horsepower at 6,100 RPM and 19.9 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM, making it one of the torquiest options in the sub-400cc category. With a top speed of 71 miles per hour, it's slower than most sport bikes but well suited for urban commutes. At 399 pounds, it's heavier than the Honda CB300R, but the low 31.1-inch seat height makes it easy to handle, even for shorter riders. Its 4,000-mile service intervals are slightly shorter than most Japanese competitors, leading to higher maintenance frequency. However, Royal Enfield's growing dealer network has made parts and service more accessible in the U.S. With an estimated price of $4,499, the Hunter 350 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a motorcycle with sharper handling and premium build quality, stay tuned for number 8. Coming in at number 8, we have a motorcycle that brings premium craftsmanship to the entry-level market, the Triumph Speed 400. Unlike the Hunter 350, this bike offers a more refined engine, lighter weight, and sharper handling, making it ideal for riders who want a balance between style and performance. The 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine produces 39.5 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 27.7 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM, making it almost twice as powerful as the Hunter 350. Weighing just 375 pounds, it is one of the lightest motorcycles in its class, ensuring quick acceleration and nimble handling. Its 3.4-gallon fuel tank and an estimated 65 mpg mean riders can expect a range of over 200 miles per tank. The 31.1-inch seat height makes it accessible for most riders, while the USD forks, slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire throttle add to its premium feel. With an estimated price of $4,995, the Triumph Speed 400 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a motorcycle with even more power and a trusted reputation for reliability, stay tuned for number 7. At the 7th spot, we have a bike that perfectly blends power, comfort, and legendary reliability, the Honda CB500F. Unlike the Speed 400, this bike offers a twin-cylinder engine for smoother power delivery and higher torque, making it better suited for highway riding. The Ford 71cc parallel twin engine delivers 47 horsepower at 8,600 RPM and 31.7 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles in the beginner-friendly category. Weighing 416 pounds, it is heavier than the Speed 400 but offers better stability at highway speeds. Fuel economy is strong at 67 mpg, and the 4.5-gallon fuel tank allows for over 280 miles of riding per fill-up. The 30.5-inch seat height is slightly taller than some competitors, but remains comfortable for most riders. It also features ABS, an assist slipper clutch, and Honda's proven build quality, ensuring minimal maintenance costs. With an estimated price of $6,899, the Honda CB500F is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a bike with the same engine but a more aggressive, naked look, stay tuned for number 6. At position 6, we have the Yamaha MT-03, a naked bike that delivers good performance for beginners, but falls slightly behind its rival, the Kawasaki Z400, in key areas. If you're looking for a compact and manageable street fighter, this is still a great choice. Its 321cc parallel twin engine produces 42 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 21.8 pound-feet of torque at 9,000 RPM, which is less powerful than the Z400's 48 horsepower and 28 pound-feet of torque. Weighing 373 pounds, it is also heavier than the Z400, making it slightly less agile in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency is rated at 56 miles per G, and with a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of around 200 miles per tank. The 30.7-inch seat height makes it more approachable for shorter riders, and it features LED lighting, an inverted fork, and ABS as standard. With an estimated price of $4,999, the Yamaha MT-03 is already available for 2025. But if you want a more powerful naked bike with better acceleration and fuel efficiency, stay tuned for number 5. Enjoying the countdown so far? If this list is helping you decide on your first motorcycle, hit that like button and subscribe for expert breakdowns on beginner bikes, riding tips, and in-depth comparisons. Moving on to number 5, we have the Kawasaki Z400, a beginner-friendly naked bike that outperforms the Yamaha MT-03 in nearly every category. With more power, less weight, and better fuel efficiency, this bike is one of the top choices for new riders. Its 399cc parallel twin engine delivers 48 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 28 pound-feet of torque at 8,000 RPM, making it significantly stronger than the MT-03's 42 horsepower and 21.8 pound-feet of torque. Weighing 364 pounds, it is also 9 pounds lighter than the MT-03, which improves acceleration and overall maneuverability. Fuel efficiency is rated at 66 miles per hour, and with a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of over 240 miles per tank. The 30.9-inch seat height is slightly taller than the MT-03 but remains comfortable for most riders. It also features ABS-equipped brakes and a slipper clutch, enhancing safety and usability. With an estimated price of $4,999, the Kawasaki Z400 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a low-slung cruiser with a relaxed riding position, stay tuned for number 4. At number 4, we have the Honda Rebel 500, a cruiser that combines a torquey twin-cylinder engine with beginner-friendly handling. If you're looking for a relaxed ride with a low seat height, this is one of the best entry-level cruisers available. Its 471cc parallel twin engine produces 46.9 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 32.9 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 RPM, giving it smooth power delivery that is perfect for highway cruising. At 408 pounds, it's heavier than most sportier beginner bikes, but its low 27.2-inch seat height ensures easy handling, even for shorter riders. Fuel economy is rated at 67 miles per G, and with a 3-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of over 200 miles per fill-up. The Rebel 500 also features a slipper clutch for reduced clutch effort, ABS for improved safety, and a comfortable riding posture. With an estimated price of $6,499, the Honda Rebel 500 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a sharp-handling, high-revving street fighter with aggressive styling, stay tuned for number 3. At number 3, we have the KTM 390 Duke, a lightweight street fighter with aggressive styling, razor-sharp handling, and class-leading technology. If you want a beginner bike that feels like a true performance machine, this is the one. Its 399cc single-cylinder engine produces 44 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 28.8 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 RPM, giving it quick acceleration and a strong mid-range punch. Weighing just 362 pounds, it is one of the lightest motorcycles in this category, allowing for nimble handling and fast cornering. Fuel economy is rated at 58 miles per G, and with a 3.5-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of around 200 miles per tank. The 32.3-inch seat height is taller than most beginner bikes, making it better suited for average to taller riders. The 390 Duke also comes with ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and a TFT display, features rarely found in this class. With an estimated price of $5,799, the KTM 390 Duke is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a fully fared sport bike that balances power and ease of use, stay tuned for number 2. At number 2, we have the Kawasaki Ninja 400, a fully fared sport bike that offers the perfect balance of power, handling, and beginner-friendly usability. If you want a confidence-inspiring sport bike with a smooth power curve and excellent stability, this is one of the best options available. Its 399cc parallel twin engine produces 48 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 28 pound-feet of torque at 8,000 RPM, making it the most powerful bike on this list. Weighing 366 pounds, it is only slightly heavier than the KTM 390 Duke, but the sport bike chassis provides greater stability at high speeds. Fuel economy is rated at 65 miles per G, and with a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of over 240 miles per tank. The 30.9-inch seat height is approachable for most riders, and the bike features ABS, a slipper clutch, and refined aerodynamics for a comfortable ride. With an estimated price of $5,599, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is already available for 2025. But if you're looking for a sport bike with a slightly more beginner-friendly approach and legendary reliability, stay tuned for number 1. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Yamaha YZF R3, the ultimate beginner sport bike that offers refined handling, a smooth twin-cylinder engine, and Yamaha's legendary reliability. This bike is the best all-around option for new riders looking for a sporty yet forgiving machine. Its 321cc parallel twin engine produces 42 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 21.8 pound-feet of torque at 9,000 RPM, making it slightly less powerful than the Ninja 400, but smoother in delivery. Weighing 375 pounds, it is only 9 pounds heavier than the Ninja 400, but the lower seat height and balanced chassis make it easier to control. Fuel economy is rated at 56 mpg, and with a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a range of around 200 miles per tank. The 30.7-inch seat height makes it the most beginner-friendly sport bike in this category, while ABS and lightweight handling make it comfortable for city and highway riding alike. With an estimated price of $6,999, the Yamaha YZF R3 is already available for 2025. If you're serious about starting your motorcycle journey on the best beginner sport bike, the YZF R3 is the bike to beat. There you have it, the 12 best entry-level motorcycles for 2025, ranked from adventure scooters to powerful sport bikes. Whether you prefer a lightweight naked bike, a comfortable cruiser, or a high-performance sport bike, there's a perfect choice. Which one would you ride first? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more expert motorcycle insights.